This lecture covers the process of creating a 3D web application with a search widget for users to search locations. I will create a new demo project and add modules and functions for the search widget. To start, open my text editor. Open a new document. I will copy and paste the code from the lecture resources file. Come back to my lecture resources file, copy and paste the code here. Here I set up a standard HTML document with a setting and save it. Make the name my search in 3D. Save it on the desktop. Then I will add links to load ArcGIS API below the title tag. This is a CDN, Content Delivery Network, for ArcGIS API for JavaScript hosted by Azure. Now I will add the title for this document. Save it. Then I will add body tags. I make the div ID is map1. Then I will add a set of script tags with code for loading Azure API modules. In this project, I will add these two standard modules first. Azure map module is to ensure to create a map, and next I will add a search div in the body tags. Put here. And now I will add search widget modules and functions. I will copy and paste the code from our lecture resources file. Let me have all this code, copy, and put here. Okay, so what are these modules and functions for? To use search widget in a 3D environment, I need to load a scene view module, which is for 3D, and I add widget search to perform the search operation. I need a search view model to regulate its behavior. And next, I will add a map object for base map and a scene view object to display a 3D view. Come back. And okay, here I create a map object and set the map base map is topographic base map. Then I declare a scene view variable as view. I initialize the scene view object with a couple of properties. I make the container referring to the div map1 on the map, and I set the scene view scale to this value, which is good for me to have a global view. And next, I will create a search widget variable. Okay, here I apply the search view model and make reference it to the search div. I create this search variable including a search view model. So finally, I will start it by calling the function startup. So it's time for me to add a style for the HTML style. So let me go to the resources file. I have get all the code ready. So it's very comfortable to create this project. So I set value for padding, margin, and for the search div, I put it on the upper right corner. And for this simple project, I have the Z index value as 10. I make this value is good enough for this simple project. So let me save the file on desktop and open it in the browser to a browser. Excellent. Now let me try to search Yosemite National Park. And make it a view in 3D. Excellent. Great. Congratulations. Now you can add a search widget to your 3D application. See you next lecture.